So it's currently the 1st of January and I am ill. Great start to the year. But yeah, I made this video to thank all my subscribers so far, everyone that supported me, and even those in the future that will join me on my journey. 2018 was really the first time that I ever displayed my work to the public, so it's been a big year for me, and took me a lot of courage to get to this point. So I would like to thank everyone who has welcomed me in the community and yeah, just commented on my videos, because it really makes me feel good, you know, and I think that's the same for everyone. So thank you for tuning in, and I just want to say have a lovely new year, and I hope this year brings more happiness, more memories to all of you.